Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. So now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Oh my God, as they train for the match against Burnley, they do powerful intensity training. Oh my, they know they play, they train very hard because they know say this match they go play today against Burnley. Oh man, a tough match. Forget a lot of people go talk say Burnley no be that kind of strong team, and Burnley no be Man City. Like somebody talk yesterday say if Arsenal play tiki taka, they go fit defeat Burnley. Omo be like saying no the way Burnley they play the way all of them be like giants, so they launch ball no go stay for ground plenty now for up they play their own ball. So they really need that intensity training, make them train very well so that they will fit approach this Burnley game with the right mindset. I just hope so we'll see miracle today. Familiar setting, so they ask people say for the history of Premier League wey don play, say who be the toughest defender wey don face. So Baba can talk say na one Bissaka, na be the person you know say since we face am, e no easy to beat am. Well, that one na your own opinion, sha. I don't know why I call one Bissaka the way it gets some kind formidable defenders wey still dey for EPL. Maritime spirit wey they call Calcio Mercato don come outside dey talk say Juventus dey interested in signing Lacazette, and not only Juventus, the AC Milan sef dey for the running and they wan sign this guy. Say by January they go approach and listen, make just follow and talk because by January Lacazette go dey eligible to sign pre-contracts with other clubs, other foreign clubs, and then you don't buy because na the final lap of the season in day. You get so he dey left for Arsenal either to let him go on a free or to sell him by January and collect any small change. Na that one they go decide on when the time reach. My former Stoke striker wey they call Jerome don come outside talk say for this match wey Arsenal go play Burnley, say for him saying they see upsets, saying they see Burnley beating Arsenal because Burnley na very strong side and the past games they don play against Arsenal they always bully Arsenal. You get they bully them to collect results. Say Burnley that don play like 3 games so they don't lose this season and they can't draw one, so they never win. So they feel saying that this game is the perfect opportunity for them to win. And for Arsenal, this is the last game where they won't play for this way where they play this season because they're not going to like to go tough more at this time of the season. So they don't lose first 3, don't win 1, and the one where they win na shit packer against Norwich. Say you know go good man Arsenal go there now, but we all be Arsenal fans. We dey relish this opportunity, so we want make Arsenal play them now. We could test our resolve. We could see how good our backline dey and our players dey in terms of physicality. That is why myself I dey keenly interested in watching this match to see wetin go happen today. Na 3 p.m. na mo dey watch. Even for media settings, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say, you know, say a lot of people dey talk say Arsenal get soft underbelly. You get they dey soft, you know, they be small boys. Say how they say they go fair against this Burnley, be physical side. Everybody know them for their physicality. So but how can they talk say na true, sha? Say na the perspective where they outside there, the perception where people know Arsenal for say Arsenal dey too soft, they get no chicken bone. Say for this match, Arsenal get the perfect opportunity to rewrite history, to let everybody know say we are not that soft underbelly, we are not that soft small boys who na know before. We don't do some kind of reinforcement, we don't add steel for our team. So now this match, now we take convince everybody say omo we don't dey physical now also. Well, everything na still 3 p.m. now talk is cheap. Even our legend that they call Lauren don't come outside again. They talk say you see this Tomiyasu and say the guy a very nice player. Say it took the guy just 2 minutes to win the hearts of Arsenal faithful because when they first signed him, everybody they laugh and not Jet Li, I'm not Jackie Chan, I'm not Bruce Lee brother. But when the guy just entered, do some kind of thing, the guy almost scored for that Norwich game. So when they very happy, even when they come out for first half, the guy collect standing ovation for the fans because they swallow say the guy come on too much. So it's also more give this guy time. But now everybody done the hype him, even myself and the follow hype him say guy could die. So those kind of pressure feel on they affect the guy's psychic, they affect the guy mentality. Someone just calm down, more take it easy. The guy na 6 money, now 22 years old, forget say he just puff up anyhow. Someone just calm down, give him time, may enjoying game. I'm still by the media settings, so they come they ask Mikel Arteta about Lacazette. You know say AC Milan and Juve don't the reason the guy say they want to offer him pre-contract for January. So they come they ask Arteta say whether sure say Lacazette will stay from now to the end of the season. It's why I say Baba never really dey involved this season. So Arteta come they talk say No be like that. Say this Lacazette wey see so, he go dey with us from now to the end of the season. Say he go dey involved now. Don't forget say the guy get coronavirus, so he never really train very well. And that top 9 slots, now with Auba the share am, you get, and Auba don dey bust net now. So everything now with time. No how. He go get some kind of cameo appearances. He go come from Benjamin, enter, perform wonders. No just chill. Time go reach. People say 2 of them go start at the same time. So no just dey watch. I get one report wey dey come outside wey dey talk say Arsenal don get the tallest defense in 30 years wey dem don ever get because you know say in the past na only maybe our centre back go just tall small, the rest go small, they go dey target them. See, but for now, for example, we get Tomiyasu, and Tomiyasu dey 6 feet and 2 inches tall. We still get Gabriel Magalhaes dey 6 feet and 3 inches tall. We still get Ben White dey 6 feet and 2 inches tall. Say for that our 4 back line, at least we get 3 people wey dey above 6 feet inches. So it give us a standing chance against anybody, especially this Burnley. That is why this Burnley test dey very, very interesting. We will test that our back line. We'll see how good they dey, because we are coming against a side we get me, we get Tarkowski, we get Charlie Wood, we get who against them for that Ashley Barnes. So you come against all these giants. You know, it go very easy. I just expect the battle between Gabriel Magalhaes and Wood. It go make sense. Or Gabriel Magalhaes versus Lee or Tarkowski. If you get all those kind of corner, you know, say me and Tarkowski, them be centre back pairing. So they tall, they over tall. So all those kind of corner, they go run come. They go add Ashley Barnes. Hey God, now today God. I'm gonna enter match of the day. Burnley versus Arsenal. Burnley go host Arsenal for their match day 5 game as then they chase their first EPL win of the season. I'm gonna run check their head to head. In the last 5 games for Tough More, Arsenal win 3, draw 2. Last season we play 1-1 for year. Burnley dey unbeaten against Arsenal in their last 3 EPL games, while Arsenal dey unbeaten against Burnley away in 9 games as Arsenal win 4 contra 5. Aubameyang don score 8 goals in 7 matches against Burnley, and we dey hope say e go continue today. You see this match, no be say Burnley too good o, say they dey knack us all the time. They no dey knack us all the time, but they sabi draw against Arsenal. They dey collect points for our hand. That is why we wan win. If you check the last 2 games we don play here, we play 1-1 and 0-0. We lose 2 points, and now we can't afford a draw. We need a win, because imagine we don play first 4, we lose 3, win 1. So if we play this one again, go be say we don't win the second one. That's why everybody dey talk say we could try all our possible best, make all our players play very well to ensure say we win this match. We no wan hear any mistake. You get, thank God say Xhaka no dey, may no go make one sliding tackle, na go collect red card. Thank God say Leno no dey, na may no go do anyhow, come see cheap goal. Everybody go dey at the top of their game. We need Aubameyang, dey create chance for you. Boss net, simple. All the people dey behind them. Odegaard, you are playing the best game of your life. Today, na battle of Tough More, na dey call am. And for this match, I dey see Arsenal winning 2-0. So I don't know wetin be una prediction, wetin una see for this game, because I just 2-0 me I dey see. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we dey see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, Facebook will notify you say we don drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.